Hello student, this is a revised curriculum of class 9 and 10 social science. As per the new curriculum in social science having the four subject: history, geography, civics and economics, and all these four subject have the equal weightage, that is 20 marks each subject. And to complete the syllabus of each subject, the number of periods are given, that is history 46 period, geography 34 period, civics 27 period and economics 44 period. Now the new question paper designing. As per the new curriculum, the social science question paper of class 10 2020 and 21 will be 80 marks final written paper. In that 80 marks, the question will be asked, that is understanding and remembering 28 marks, that is weightage is 35%. Applying questions will be asked for 15 marks. Formulating, evaluating and creative writing 32 marks question, and on the map 5 marks questions will be asked. As per the new question paper design, 28 marks remembering, 15 marks applying, 32 marks evaluating and creating, and map skill 5 marks. In this way 80 marks and 100% weightage. Now internal marks or internal assessment, 20 marks distribution of marks, 10 marks periodic assessment. In that 10 marks, pen paper test 5 marks and 5 marks multiple strategies, that is quiz, debate, role play, group discussion, etc. Then 5 marks for portfolio, that is class work, assignment completion and your achievement, etc. And 5 marks for the project. In this way internal marks will be in this format. Now what is a project? The project student can be choose from economics only, and topics of the projects are 3. You can choose any one from the given topics, that is consumer awareness, social issues and sustainable development. Every student has to compulsory undertake any one project on the following topic, that is for 5 marks, and this is a project for it will be given by subject teacher in PA 3, not now. And assessment criteria of the project: 5 marks distribution, content accuracy and analysis, that is 2 marks, presentation and creativity 2 marks, and oral viva, that is interview 1 mark. Distribution mark project. You can select the project from given topic at the end of the academic year. Now, the subject-wise syllabus. Today we will discuss only economics. Economics, chapter number first, that is development. First lesson as it is, there is no changes in new syllabus, a new curriculum. All points are as it is. Second lesson, sectors of the Indian economy. All points are as it is. And third is money and credit. Third lesson is money and credit. And fourth lesson, globalization and the Indian economy. Total in final examination, there are 4 lessons. Economics, 4 lessons. That is development, sectors of the Indian economy, money and credit, and fourth is globalization and the Indian economy. And fifth lesson will be for the project, consumer right. In this way, today we discuss about the new curriculum, question paper pattern, internal assessment, and the final written examinations paper pattern, and economics syllabus and project. The remaining subject, that is history, geography and civics, will be discussed the next video. Thank you.